Hey you guys, thanks for joining me here on my YouTube channel for another Travel Tech Tuesday. Hey you guys, in this Travel Tech Tuesday video, we're going to be taking a look at the Bell How Spin Power. We're going to be unboxing this device to see what it's like and what's it really looks like on the inside of this box here. Maybe you guys have seen this before. It's called the Spin Power, and again, it's by Bell How, and it has that icon at the top that says, you know, as seen on TV. I've never saw it on TV, but I just thought about I could use this. I have two facilities, and we have a lot of stuff that sometimes we have to charge up in one place, from like cell phones to electronics to walkie-talkies. So when I saw this, I was like, let me grab this for my two facilities that I have. And so it just says here right on the box, it just says there's charge, power, charge, tension. You can charge 10 devices at once. So if you have a lot of electronics, or if you need something for office space, business, this might be a pretty good thing to have. It says fast charging device, and then it says it's great for kitchens, offices, bedrooms, garages, workshops, dorm rooms, entertaining, organization, and it's boasts on having the following features. It says a 4x power outlets, 6x USB ports, 45-inch hideaway cord, 360-degree access and adjustment, built-in 3-device tablet phone shelf, and a surge protection. So those are some of the things that they have right here on the box, as well as it has some of the stuff on here letting you know that there's 4 power outlets, 6 USB ports with 2.1 amp max, 360-degree access rotation, and a 45-inch cord that also can hide away. So it says you can use with smartphones, tablets, laptops, and more. So let's just go ahead and open this up. I got my scissors on deck here, but I might not really need these because it's not really taped down too much. So I'm gonna take a look and open this up. Okay, so just right off the box, it is a lot smaller than what I expected, seeing how the box is so like wide. The box is kind of wide and this is really thin, so I was thinking it was going to be a lot bigger. So let's take a look at it here. Like it said right on the box, it does have the 4 outlet chargers, and it looks like it's one on each side, and it does have the 3 prongs. So if you need to plug up something like a computer or maybe an extension cord or something that has that 3-ring prong on it, you have that option, as well as it does have the 6 USB. The USB ports are only on 3 sides, so you have 1 side, 2 side, 3, the 3rd side, and then on the back side they have a, I guess this would be like the on-off button there. Oh, let's see it, because it's supposed to rotate, so I don't know why I'm turning it around. Let's see, how does it? Oh, it doesn't turn that easy, or maybe the cord has, let's see. Oh, does it have something to do with the cord here? Okay. Oh, so maybe rotating it must be what wheels the cord in and out. So I just figured maybe you could just rotate it around just because you want to turn it, but it looks like the turning feature affects the cord here. So we'll just go ahead and pull the cord out and see how far. It says, I think, 45 inches. So here's the length of the cord here. I don't know if it'll make it. It might not make it to where I need it to go because my table is high here. So let's see what it spin if you got that. Yeah, I don't know about the spinning. Yeah, it doesn't really spin because the spinning, anytime it's like you spin it, it's like winding the cord in or loosening the cord out to go out more. Okay, so it does have an on and off switch, and then at the top there is this spot here to hold a cell phone or to hold a tablet, it says. So let me go get one of my tablets and another cell phone to see how it does with sitting the cell phone up top here, and I'm going to get some items to plug up inside of here as well. Be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. So here it does, at the top, it has the cell phone and it says tablet holder. I don't think this will fit my tablet with the outer box, or I don't even know if it'll fit my cell phone inside of an outer box. It might not. So yeah, it looks like here on the picture they really don't have the cell phones in the outer box. Like, yeah, it'll be kind of a force. This is, I believe, the Samsung S9, and it's kind of, I mean, at least it won't fall out, but it will kind of go inside there with the outer box. So I guess that would make it be kind of secure inside of the fixture right there at the top. But as far as my Android tablet, yeah, I don't even know if this will fit in here. This is inside an outer box. This is inside an outer box. This is an Android tablet. I guess you can kind of force it in there if you had to charge and wanted to sit it up top there. But I guess also, you know what? You can also, oh, actually you can use the other ridges. There's like, I guess the 2 ridges on the front and the back. So you can use the ridges. So I guess there are 3 ridges here. You can use this ridge, and this one. So I guess if you do have a tablet that's a little thicker, I guess that could be your option right there. Or if you want to put multiple items on it like that, hey, I guess that's cool. Or you could just have it sitting right there, maybe on the side, sitting around it. Now my my iPad here, let's see. It doesn't have a case, but I do keep it inside of here from time to time. So this is really thin. So I know if I wanted to, I could just set my iPad on here, and that just goes into the middle ridge with no issues or problems. I might be nervous about sitting it on this outside because it could just, you know, fall off, at least in here. If I put it in the middle, I feel a little more safe about it. But that's that pretty much. So that's pretty much me unboxing this device here. Again, I don't think it takes up too much space. As far as, like I said, as far as it turning 360 degrees, I don't know why they advertise it, because you really can't turn it once it's plugged up. It's kind of hard to turn, and it seems, like I said, the turning is just mainly for winding and unwinding the power cord. So there you have it. I'm going to use this. Like I said, I have a lot of walkie-talkies at my facility that we need to plug up, as well as a lot of cell phones at my facility. And so I guess I will keep this. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you think this is something that you would utilize, or if you just think you'd rather get something else to utilize. But again, like I said, a workspace, maybe if you have a shop or something like that, or if you have a desk where you do have enough space to sit this on, I think this would come in pretty handy. So I'm going to keep it.